Okay. My main kwa humane so na mene the newly elected president of MUSICA ending komo. Mr. Bessa Mpacho mo ha mo akwa baba Opemsuo 104.7.
Yeah, appointment say.
Nyame adom Mpacho na we.
Adom keke. Yede nyame ase.
Yede ase. Di kan mama otiri nkwa on winning the presidency of MUSICA. Na me nua Bema Riley Tremu said before becoming the president, now you can say you've been acting for all these years. What my holding the musical association for all these years because of incessant kakreba, and finally you've been rewarded with the hard work you put in. Congratulations, boss.
Sorry, last one.
Me say na me utrin kwana na me dem ma say all this years
Ini me da wase papa.
Ode ahode bi a shemu na ya rewarded with the main position itself no utrin kwa.
Me da wase papa and that second is okoma atwede amponyankopon. Because why in there why on and off nyame adom. Yetu ya ye mo fi on so big headla ya cross into the nyankopon na so botwe me baby akodo chuchuchu.
Okay. President, before Ebia Ebeko the si wani so ne dwumadi a opese wo bedi makuo no. Mebusa se abato mu nsensem ya titibi. Wo di embese mebusa se na wo ye acting nti kakra nti no beka ne se onsem a wo di tu dwama o mbeto ama wo ne nipakuo ni nyina no ekoyoyo ma abato yi koyoyo ne de dibre ama wo na se obeka sa abato mu nsensem no kakra fa wo nenso wutintim na wugina ya wo watimi edi nkunim wo this election simu.
Well, I mean, the baby I'm no yeah, baby. Or let me make sure the musical was intact. And at the same time, so let me campaign. And see, I had a clear message for musicians and for members and musicians at large, the whole Ghana musicians, their air costs are ever benefited. And in the message I made we need to the digitization. See, I'm trying to see this yet. The pay here. We call other countries more musicians understand what is going on in so more musicians benefit. And then I mean they call around. And I'm sure say maybe I'm question we say and maybe what I say because questions will be saying now are very important. And to see the only will vote him. I'm not so extra overhand welfare or from but must start maybe today group life insurance policy. I start on pensions. On health insurance for members. And to me now I'm then for what happened was the mom. Because it must start it out.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that by the end of next year you won't a lot of results from it.
Okay. But you said you you now person make sure say musical was intact from your position and to make us say candidates are only on more corporate debris. Minim sense and be because in the background they are what to be. You being a unifier as you are saying there are some now back catch or ma only on more kwanu ya kunim dia baba ya mawe. Would you want them in your team to help grow musical brand na say obeka se ode omonhwe dwuma obaba bedi na se enfakwa ma de na obeka che the opponent you went into this election with, please?
Me that's pa just this adwin back for ntin nti me buy na hwe me first as one is unity. And unity no ye different kind of unity we are inviting obia or positive good contribution to make it cool go forward. It's welcome. We're inviting all of them to bring their ideas, to bring their good positive aid. And to me, my hands are open. My arms are open wide, waiting for build a good idea, Baba.
Okay. President, we dey minim say afeya nkunimdia ba afe na wo beboaboa nkrata no na wani so ade hunu ni bibia opesa we ye no se bi wo biebie mu na wo hye odwumadi aba be di ase but mesre say wie ya menya wa fidikase esu yi santen na radio station ni na Kumasi fo nyina tie we die wo de betu dwa kakra maye botaye wo wani so bibia wo be hye ase afri ene de wo pese ye hwe animu free wo ho now as the president of MUSIGA?
Sure, madam. I mean, all the kind. My mom friend doesn't Summa Ashanti regional chairperson. Oh yeah, Madam Augustine Addison. Why you Juma papa? During the crisis, I mean, in Pokura, she never gave up. And she was always encouraging me. In Ashanti region, they be a mabawa. Were advising.
Okay.
Number 4 advising so. Number one I say for voting overwhelmingly for Bessa Simons.
Okay.
We need the Yamadia Ashanti region members. Wonder.
Okay.
Them Mr. Ken, my mother, they bet church charging ye pa. They are poor musicians. More region musicians now. We question the thing said, since young baby, music away, do know. My year roadmap, 1 year roadmap, I made a travel.
Okay.
And see, Oba, I will share it with you. When you now, you can also contribute with ideas. May I say, we are able to. So you will know when we are making progress and when we have slowed down. But there was a year, best start the second musical conference.
Okay.
Within a month and a half. Best start constitutional review. So I'm a year conference and year 2. So adopt the music work on the only first thing I'll be tackling. Okay. And by the end of next week and so over there, I swear all the new executive team near Ejumano will start.
Okay. I'm say you better any more said okay now we show BBS near ko. Now we dey ade ba kwa mebusa wan se na wo de the Opemsuo ketwa to me say wo mre no eso am say MUSIGA me Ashanti region de mani tue bi mu share ade biase a na mo boaboa event organizers especially with the more person mo ye awards ne sa neoma no me hu ba kuminu in Ashanti region say hana me wo be say me busa say now you are the president of MUSIGA Ghana ni nyina no sa ade hunu no ya de amoba beto aso and I say you think say sitting down reviewing it no there another way out mo be pese wo de be fa so a e be ma na cause say me busa say because there was one particular award scheme eba so Ashanti region ha em say na MUSIGA so masene omo ye baako ba omo ye mienu e na ye nte ne nka bio menim de asi de but I would want to ask you say wo wa bai saa de na yade amba beto aso na mo de bi be ka ho na akwani ma say same puna in wo any so ade hu no be say wo de fa
okay but I say when there a music and I say your war hen award scheme which is MUSIGA owners I bought musicians wabado are only musicians vote the best kina if you should them na kind the down we are coming to strengthen all the regions. It's one program so we na mwako form na you be make sure you support from washikina wa benefit musicians of all regions yes or you good Ukraine we will transform and transfer it to other regions among when now anything I ever benefit musicians now national will support it and make sure that it's done properly. It's done so well that members will benefit.
Okay. With the message now, my panelists really so really.
Okay.
Father, congrats.
Thank you very much, my brother.
All right. With the my question about a bit of how you people will educate us in terms of because meaning say MUSIGA is not only limited to only the musicians, but anybody who partake in the actions of the musicians. And someone like an artist manager can hold an ID of for MUSIGA. The same way DJ can also hold a card. Now, over down to your regional base now, for Ashanti region, for instance, on the Esson. And the other people from the local areas, they don't have knowledge about even what MUSIGA is. Because Nipa National knows me studio now recording me and he says he's an artist, which you can't fault him because but as to say Obedimuno, most of this MUSIGA activities and from where I'm sitting, me when he say more a bit of national level, not about the local side now. We hardly get information on them. And Kabia and Shebi or Honoma, Mobit Media Boy educating most of these people. Senior Bioming Nabit are coming on board to help the organization now. And then I can pay me busa.
Okay. The thing is, them I'm with the roadmap, we are going to strengthen the regions for them to also get down to the districts. They are using all the musicians. I was to share corners, baby, so that they become members, so that they can benefit. And also, we are going to engage on now. What industry players now? This time, MUSIGA is going to work with the media more crashing at the donor. Because when the Yama Papa one confine say that we have to work with the media or Yama Papa. And all the synergies. Because I know I hear you a year to me and your members go to especially young ones, we need them one-way future leaders. And so we know how they can make it better when it gets to their time. And so and it's part of our roadmap, And so we do that.
Okay. President, you better snazzy be jaw, Quani Biana, war and Chebi was the Buasimia Peso Becache, all members of MUSIGA and or more, and you to four or Monka MUSIGA Hono, dear Sam Nabecacho Mutu coming in the other bit to be.
Sure, okay, Madasi. Cecilia Esha, MUSIGA election, ye or the new Jikasi, or the other or my neighbor. It's like everybody is happy for MUSIGA, everybody is happy for musicians, or a good feeling. It's more training there for all musicians to come together, all industry players. Because we have identified the people who have the technical know-how to put our industry together. I'm speaking in parables now. Oboko musicians are all the industry in place. I'm a here too, yeah, benefit. And unity is a thing. Meda Asante regional. Oh, our voting mamo, our end voter mamo medawasi. And I need all of you. I need your ideas. One brilliant one. You MUSIGA kase. Let's make MUSIGA work. Thank you.
That's so, Mr. Bessa Simons, and then we wish you all the best in your new.
Thank you. Don't forget to
but you're
one station. In 2 weeks' time, I will come there. Then you can come up, Papa.
But you're better stones now when your number and now, but you'll buy a dinkomo.
Medasipa.